Okay, my truck is getting P030 code. Um, I have been diagnosed with the fuel, vacuum leaks, EGR, cleaned the throttle body. I did everything, but my truck still throws P0300, and this is the reading when I hook up the scan tool on it. Uh, as you can see, I received that. Uh, so if anybody can help me with this problem, because I don't know now. I don't know what to do. I don't have Tech 2 scanners. I give it to the different shops and dealers, and they they don't think anything. They're saying something is arcing, but I check with the water, spray on the coil and spark plugs. I don't see any sparks, anything. My coils and everything, wires, spark plugs, all are new. The coils, all in a good shape, working like supposed to. I have the shop has been checked out, everything, but they cannot find anything. So please, if anybody knows by reading this, uh, please please help me. Thank you.